Tropical Cyclone Advice number 25 is now in place. Tropical Cyclone Kelvin likely to cross the coast between Sandfire and Bidyadanga as a Cat 1 system during Sunday morning. Broome to Pardoo Roadhouse extending inland to include Telfer. There are no warnings or watches in place. And it's located within 55 kilometres of 19.2 degrees south, 120.9 degrees east, estimated to be around 200 kilometres southwest of Broome, and 270 kilometres east-northeast of Port Hedland, and movement is east-northeast, 4 kilometres an hour, very slow. And looking at the Bureau of Meteorology's radar, it does not look very healthy. My position is it's only a rain maker, and they have it as a Cat 1, sustained winds near the centre, 75 kilometres per hour. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. Apology, I've come down with a cold, but it's not going to distract me from bringing the information to the viewers. The format has slightly changed, where I've got the information scrolling at the bottom of the screen. The International Space Station is edging its way towards the Western Australia coast, and hopefully later on today we might have some footage on Tropical Cyclone Kelvin. Now here's the latest from the Bureau's Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre over in Perth, the track on Kelvin. If it had been further offshore and a little bit more time, it probably could have reached Cat 3 as what was originally forecasted. A look at the rainbow imagery, the Himawari 8 satellite view, and Tropical Cyclone Kelvin really stands out, but it's just too close to the coast. Sea surface temperature is not an issue, it's just, as I said, too close to the land. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's current track chart. The upper level divergence is only around 20 knots. It's not very strong. I'll use the word upstairs. Here's a look at the wind shear. The red's unfavourable. The green is favourable. The 24-hour shear tendency, quite a bit of green, and that won't impact the cyclone. And my favourite, 850 millibar vorticity. In addition to Tropical Cyclone Kelvin, there's another deep low to the south of WA. Total precipitable water, you can actually see Tropical Cyclone Gita, and we know that Gita is forecast to track in between Norfolk Island and Lord Howe Island. Now, This is the current tropical cyclone formation probability guide. Are we going to see another 3 tropical signals? We have 92P, which is to the east of Fiji, but are we going to see one to the north of Vanuatu? Now here's the current NOAA floaters. And listening to this recording is my mate Lee Barrett up there in Scotland in the United Kingdom. And Lee and I have been talking about I'm going to say a severe weather system that's going to impact the UK. Now here's the track from the GEP or the GEFS on Kelvin. Now here's the current position of the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. We have Tropical Cyclone Kelvin, we've got Tropical Cyclone Gita, and we have EVS 92P. They have the percentages for development at this point in time as low. Now we look at the rainfall from 4 AM to the same period tomorrow. The rainfall scale or precipitation values is the bottom of the screen. They're in 3 hourly periods. And the lettering in the black box is pressure. Now this is the instability. And you can note the purple and the pinkish white. And to the east of Brisbane, the Gold Coast, New South Wales border, that instability is as a result of Tropical Cyclone Gita. Now we have a look at the GFS wind feature. It's on the BSCH, and the wind values to the bottom of the screen. In addition to Tropical Cyclone Kelvin, just keep your eye on the right hand side of the screen, a little bit of the yellow. And you can definitely see how close Gita has come. Now we look at the precipitable water. I would invite viewers to just replay the video in this part. Just watch this model. Whilst models have to have caution applied, are we going to see another 2 systems come on the radar? The Gulf of Carpentaria. We could actually see another tropical cyclone over there in WA. This is the storm probability. And we're yet to reach the peak of the tropical season. And considering we're Sunday the 18th of February, still another month and a half. Total forecast of rain below meteorology. The picture is changing, but look at that area in blue through to red. And my eyes are on the southern Gulf of Carpentaria area and the area south of Fraser Island. And it's the dark blue that's caught my eye. Tropical North Queensland coast. Now we'll look at pressure and wind. This is the GFS model. In our next update, we'll bring the latest information on Kelvin and Gita. Now we could see another extratropical system to the southwest of Gita. Now you can actually see.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.